push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I...
Good evening, folks. It's another beautiful Saturday, about 8 o'clock. It's gonna be a beautiful night for some riding. But before we get into all that, I just wanted to let everybody know that the GoPro mount that I use to get this angle for your GoPro, they're actually doing a sale right now. They're doing a summer sale. It's 20% off, and there is a link in the description so you guys can claim that if you decide to. What they do is they have a specific fit for every helmet, because obviously the curvature of the front or the chin of every helmet is just a little bit different. So what they do is they have a specific mount for every helmet out there, basically. So anyway, if you want to get this angle on your GoPro, go check out the link below, and yeah, enjoy. Anyway, it's a Saturday night. We're gonna get some riding in. I don't know exactly what the plan is, but it sounds like there's gonna be a lot of people coming up to Radiant tonight. We've got a couple guys with some new bikes, so it's exciting to see them out there. Ethan obviously got his MT10 now. We got Frank, who just bought the same exact bike I have. Joe might be up there with his Aprilia that does 230 miles an hour. I don't know. It could be an interesting night. I don't plan on getting too crazy tonight. I'm not even geared up. I've got a helmet, I've got my gloves, but other than that, I'm rocking Converse, short sleeve. Yeah, I'm just out to cruise tonight. Plus I'm slow, so I don't really want to race anybody. Make my way over to Tampa and get this night started.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We still at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot, still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody knows.
We all gassed up. We were ready to go for the night. Well, at least for a couple runs. You can come out. Alright, thank you. Let's see who we got. This boy right here. What's up, man? Trying to make it faster? You're slow as hell, boy.
I just ate your ass up on
You
there.
did not! I got it on the GoPro.
You weren't even right behind me. I'm looking for you.
I didn't even know you were coming up behind me and you
Man,
passed
I
me.
took off on that stretch on you, dog. I hit it on
This guy. That's okay, I'll let you have it.
there. Yeah.
I'll let you have it.
Yeah, okay. You get that one. When we took off on the light, yeah, okay, that's cute. That's cute.
What light?
On that.
Oh, yeah.
Over there by the airport.
I had to jump on you and then I let off because I knew the, you know.
Yeah, okay.
I'll show you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a clip right here of me jumping you
Yeah,
at the line.
I hear you though. It's cute. It's cute.
Hey, we're gonna need you to keep it under like 250 tonight, okay?
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, boy. So we're out here with a bunch of bitch boys. They're doing the slow boys. So Ethan got this beautiful bike on Thursday. So your MT10. Look at that, brand new. I think he's got some plans for it, but we'll see what he decides on.
Check this out, Nike at the bottom.
Oh, it's well.
And Champion up top. Yeah, bro.
Black pants.
That's falling on the
Good job. You're ready for middle school, bro?
Yeah, bro.
It's got the tall hat.
Actually, that's not bad.
Like that's another thing.
Oh, one more
to bring you a little higher.
He added like 2 inches.
Yeah.
What you talking about?
Yeah. So we got a plan together, sort of.
Hey, do it.
We have Wawa Gandy, per usual, Skyway, Ruskin, downtown Tampa. We'll be all over the place. Frank and his bike. Frank wanted to be just like me, so he went and bought one. Ethan, he's getting some shots. Old bike versus new bike.
The other guy.
Uh-oh, the parade has started. The Radiant parade has started, which means the cops are gonna be here in about, I don't know, 5 minutes. That's all good. We're getting out of here. But a small dilemma. All my GoPro batteries that were in the tail slid down into here. And yeah, so I don't know if we're gonna be GoProing much tonight. We're gonna try. I'm gonna try to use Ethan's baby hands to get down to the bottom, but we'll see.
To see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone.
So here's the problem. There's a little hole and all the batteries fell to the bottom of this fucking hole. Actually, will you hold this for a second, really? I might be able to unclip this. I don't know. Up on there. What the F? Ethan might be able to get it. Can you see down in there? No, look down this way.
Is it like
that little bag? Can you reach that?
Yeah.
It's f***ing tight, but...
You gotta spin on it.
Alright. Come on, boy! You got it, you got it! Did you get it? Yeah, as he drops all the batteries back into the f***ing... Yeah, boy! Hell yeah. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. 6 minutes?
6 minutes and or 7 minutes and we ride.
He can't count, he's not good at math. Thank you, Ethan, for your baby hands and getting all the GoPro batteries out so we can continue to make videos tonight. We're gonna gas up and we're gonna head over the sky. It's like a 40-minute ride or so. Of course, we're pushing the Beamer. It's always fun. Just kidding. All right, we are back. We've got Ethan on his MT10, boy. What's up, man? Good to see you. Got a good group out here, man. Got a lot of people. Oh, Ethan already killed his new bike, of course. Of course. Yeah, boy. CBR. Kind of miss my CBR. I love that bike. I think it looks like it's been lowered, but it's clean. This is not illegal. Here we go, boy.
Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young.
We made it out to Ruskin. Got some Red Bulls. Good ride so far. Nice little chill ride. Nice little slow pace. We're chilling. Except for this boy and his aw. Poor Frank.
What the fuck? Shit.
That hunky must be messing my old lady. Got to be running coal upside down his head, you know.
Who you talking to?
Anthony.
Where's he at?
I don't know. He's at the Ruskin exit somewhere. I don't know. Where that? Dude, just come to the Raleigh gas station off of Sun City Boulevard.
That dude is Anthony. He's so slow that he's just slow. He's just being slow. It's the MT10, I'm sorry, doing tonight.
Listen, it humbles you.
It humbles you? What the hell does that mean?
It's a lot of power.
That's because he hadn't been on the Beamer yet. That's why he thinks that.
Check it out, I got a twin tonight. Yeah, boy.
Damn. Ooh, I like his blinkers, bro. See his blinkers?
Nice.
Yeah, his blinkers look good on there.
Facebook right now.
Every time you get a new bike, you're gonna start seeing them all over the place. Doesn't matter what you get, you're gonna start seeing them everywhere. Why? Why would you do that? I gotta edit that shit out.
Quack, 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 quack.
Slowest. Slow.
I bet it get you.
Fast.
Yeah, he'll whip my ass right now.
Oh, fastest bike in Tampa. Downtown Tampa. Or no, I take that back. Ballast Point, which is like Bayshore. You can go over to Tampa. We're in Ruskin. Ruskin's interesting. It's quiet over here. It's nice. It's nice. The people are very friendly. Ruskin. I'll be back.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own.
I don't know what was going on. I think that's them. I think they're good. I think they're good. Alright, I'm gonna assume that they're good. And we off like a herd of turtles. Alright, we found them. We found our people. We're back. We're back.
Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push it to the limit. I can't go no more. Red light, no way. I'm coming back home.
So we have this little like secret, this little secret spot we hang out. I'm not gonna tell you where it is, cause it's a secret. And here we go. Park right up on the hill, next to Frank's bike. Oh.
Just look, I was nice enough to save it.
You got snacks in here?
No, I'm gonna cook.
Look who it is, my boy.
Frank was over there all calm and shit.
Why are they dancing?
I got away from my boy because he ended up in Sarasota instead of in Tampa.
If he wasn't trying to max out at 259 miles an hour everywhere.
266.
You said how much? 259 miles an hour. What up?
Yeah, boy. What's up, baby?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Did you hit 300 miles an hour? 400.
Look at the back of that neck, boy.
I know.
Ballpark.
I heard you got wild.
Damn.
You could fit a pool noodle in there.
Man, go ahead. I heard you got wild.
You know every time we ride with you, somebody gets lost.
Where we going? I need a
We told you
where we
Ballast
going
Point, you
next?
end up in Disney World with this
I
guy.
don't know where the f Dallas Point is at.
Hold on, he said
Dallas.
he never knew.
I never knew name of this park.
Really?
I never knew name of this park. No.
What?
All I knew is the park
One
at
word
the
at a time, bro. One word. We talked about.
All I knew is park at the end again. That's all I know.
Road all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone.